It's
Sorry,
been
she does that.
fun.
She just goes to
Hey, Maribeth.
Hey, we're so glad you're here.
Where are we?
We are at Cho-Yeh in Livingston, Texas, and we are scrapping, and we are loving it.
Okay, and who's that behind you?
This is my sweet daughter-in-law, Roseann Story, and my sister, Rosie McKeever, and my neighbor, Mona Jones, and my daughter, Rebecca Stewart,
It's wonderful.
and my friend, Barbara Thomason, and other sweet friends here.
But Mona escaped.
See me?
You're YouTubing all of us
And
scrapping?
yes, exactly. And tell us who you are, Mona.
Mona.
How was that?
She doesn't want her last name on you.
I think I already
Hi,
said her last
Rebecca.
name. I'm Rebecca, and I'm scrapping cookies, and I've been at it for 4 hours this morning. I got up at 6.
She's lying.
Mona.
Well, it's good to have you here, finally. It's a movie.
Oh, we're posing.
Lots of people do that.
You like movies better?
I can pull stills off of them.
Oh,